Hey you guys, today is Wednesday and I deleted it already. Y'all, tell me why I got COVID again. I'm so depressed about it. I don't know what to do. I look a mess. Per usual. I was getting my skin right. I had these little lines right here, the indentions. I didn't have none of that. Oh my God. I don't think my throat didn't hurt the first time I had COVID.
No, you lost your taste though.
Shoot, I lost my taste and my smell. I told you I couldn't taste that stuff I was eating. No, I can't smell this. This hand sanitizer. Excuse me. Yeah. I ain't got nothing to do with just sit here on the couch. I can't go back to work until Monday. So I'll just be sitting here. I guess I'll listen to my Audible. Let me show you guys, because this is for documented for myself. These are all the pills that I'm about to take. All these pills right here are what I'm about to take. All those, yeah, that's what I'm about to take here. This is literally my second time catching. And it's not because, you know, people down in the comment area may say, oh, you shouldn't be out in the streets. No, here again, I got it at home again. I got it from home. I didn't get it in the streets. I got it from home. Yes, in my own home. My grandchild came and she was sick and I ended up taking care of her. And that's how I got it. So, Walter, is that my drink? I don't think that's my drink.
Yes, it is your drink.
No, that's not.
Don't drink it. I'm serious. Don't drink it.
That is not my drink. That is not my drink. So I just got out of the tub. I'm watching. I don't know what this girl's name is. She's Nigerian. I don't know what her name is. What's her name, Walter? I don't know what her name is.
Still Island Luxury Hotel, Greensboro.
Josh and Joy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Josh and Joy. They are from London, because I just saw their empty house tour, and then I guess it just kept letting me see all their videos. And then they're a cute little couple. So I'm watching them so I don't wig out and have anxieties. I'm here by Walter is actually going to be here with me because now he has to be quarantined. So Walter to come back from running his errands. He didn't have COVID, and he still tested negative. He's been testing himself since Wednesday. So Wednesday, he tested again on Friday, and he was still negative, and he's about to test again on Sunday. So yeah, I think this is him now. He just ran a few errands. He picked up a few things from different places that he needed, and he ran and picked up a curbside dinner. So yeah, and it looks like he's here. Is that you, Walter? So yeah, that's Walter. You guys, I guess I can just close out the vlog for tonight, and I guess I'll see you guys in the morning on Sunday, and we will start again. He picked up, we ordered some Chinese food from an Asian, Chinese Asian. I think it's Asian. We ordered some Asian. I'm sorry, we ordered, and I'm not trying to disrespect cultures. I'm sorry. We ordered Asian food from an Asian buffet, but we didn't get it off the buffet. They also have create to order, so we ended up getting coconut shrimp and chicken lo mein with a side of some egg rolls. So that's what we ended up getting. And I'll just see you guys tomorrow in Sunday's video. See y'all later. Bye. Good morning, you guys. I am just now waking up. Sorry I didn't close out the vlog last night. I was gonna let you guys know that I did test last night again to see if I still had COVID, and my test was negative. And I'll put it somewhere on the screen, somewhere in here, to show you guys that it was negative. I'm about to get up and take a bath and go ahead and get ready to call my job, call our occupational therapy, see if I can return back to work, see if they received my test results. I took it last night about 8:35 last night. And it was a home test, so I don't know if they are going to use the home test. So I'll catch you guys up later on after that, okay? Bye.